So today I'm going to teach you a little bit about layer compositions and using your history snapshots. This will enable you to create different options within your own document, but you can choose which method works best for your workflow. So we're starting here with this initial design. I have the layers, just the flowers in a layer, and then I have some words, and I also have the option to have a different type of wording. And this is some little white outlines that I got rid of just for this purpose. So let's say that I really enjoy this, how it looks, but I have a client that wants to see these pointier eucalyptus leaves removed and replaced with these other ones. So one thing to remember when you're doing layer compositions, which you can find under Window, Layer Comps, and it will appear on your panels, is you don't ever want to delete anything, you just want to hide it, like with the eyeball. So I just clicked on this one, and you can just click hide, like so. But first, let's save this instance of this design. So go over to your Layer Comps window and click New, and let's just do option 1. You can be more descriptive with your names too, but I think this is okay for me. And I like to have all of these checked because it will apply the visibility, position, and appearance that I change to this and future ones. So that's option 1. And now let's just hide these pointy leaves. Okay. Let's pretend I want to show that to a client. So now I'll click New again. And let's do option 2. Okay, and if your client wants a background change, that's one thing that using layer comps won't work with. It will just change all of your options. So it only works with visibility, layer styles, and what was that other one? And the position of motifs. So you can go back and forth here. So here's option 2, and option 1 was there. So that's kind of fun. And then you can just go and save for web for each of these designs instead of having another whole document doing this. And that way it enables you to kind of check back and forth really fast to see which one you prefer. I still prefer this one, honestly. So let's clear the history, and I'll show you how to do it with history. So the layer comps is one way, and I can actually make screenshots. So if I like it like this, I can do a new screenshot, and we'll just call this option 1. And it shows up right here. And I'm going to click option 2. Pretend like I just did this all and didn't do it with the layer comps. But for speed, I'll just click the option 2 to make it look a little different. And so in the history panel, you can do another snapshot. Option 2, and you'll be able to revert back to whichever snapshot that you had before that you liked. Basically the same as layer comps, you just have more control over what happens in layer comps because it gives you options like you can update the visibilities of a certain option. If you decide that you made a mistake on option 2, you can kind of arrange it a little differently like this. And you'll see that it's unchecked now. But if I click this, it'll go back to where it was. So if you move this here, like, I like a little better here, you can select this button, Update Position. And then when you click on it, it's updated. It's kind of cool, right? You can also do that with the effects. So if you changed any like overlays or anything, you can do that here, or if it's hidden or unhidden. So that's that. Thanks for watching.